Well, I've lived in Golden Hill for over 3 years in this home that I bought, and I'm really excited today because we're actually doing a job at my house with Superior Window Solutions because I was experiencing some fading of my furniture and my wood floors, and really just kind of heat and cold was coming through my windows even though I had passed the point of already putting central air in. So I'm here with Virgil, the owner of Superior Window Solutions, and this is my solution. So kind of explain to me and share with the audience what it is that you've done here at my house.
Well, what we've done, we've identified the issues, and then we've selected a film to help overcome those issues and make it a more comfortable home to live in.
So how is this home going to help? Let's start with the fading of my furniture. Obviously, you can see behind me my couch is right next to the window. This giant window bakes in the sun all day long, which is really nice and comfortable. Dog loves to lounge in it. But I'm noticing that my couch is starting to fade. So how's it going to help with that?
Here in San Diego, we love our windows. That's why we live here. We have one great season. We've got a summer and then a little bit cooler summer. Well, we need to deal with those issues by way of putting high performance window film treatments on your glass. With these treatments, we can take out 99% of UVA and UVB rays.
And those are the rays that do the fading?
The majority of the fading comes from UV. UV is 40% of your fading issue.
Wow.
Heat and the intense light is the other half. So by putting a film on, you can affect 90% of the fading. The other 10% you can't affect.
That's just wear and tear life.
Environment, things like that.
So let's address now the heat and cold. I walk past these windows. These are ancient windows. This house was built in 1905. And the original windows. So we're talking, you put your hand up to it. If it's a hot day, it's a hot window. If it's a cold day, it's a cold window.
Right, exactly. And the neat thing about film is, especially on historic homes, older houses, we can put a film on single pane old glass and make it perform better than double pane low-E windows.
Wow. So can you give me kind of a percentage? What factor of reduction am I going to look at?
For example, this film being very light and clean, we're taking out 99% of UV. This is also taking out about 52% of the heat. So we're cutting the heat in half, the glare in half, but without affecting your views.
No, not at all. And I'm loving that my air conditioning and my heat is going to be more efficient when I choose to use that. The third issue that I had with this window was that from the street, if you're walking by, you can actually see straight into the living room. So like you just said, it's a light tint, but it is giving me a little bit more privacy.
Once again, we want our glass, but that does cause you to live in a bit of a fishbowl. We can give you a little bit of daytime privacy with the window film treatment without losing your views.
So thank you so much. I can't wait to see how these window films are going to transform my everyday life. You can have these same benefits as well. Get started with Superior Window Solutions today, 619-500-9465, or you can find them at ApprovedHomePros.com.